the ring. Every punch tells a story. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to victory. Victory is forged in the fire of struggle. This is not just a fight. It's a battle of wills. A testament to pushing beyond limits. No limits.
Tomášek, gratulujem, rozširuješ si svoju bilanciu a opäť prepisuješ históriu.
The same fire that drives champions burns in the markets. Trade with precision. Join Luex, where every trade is your round to win.
Já stejnak nic nebudu mluvit. Chci poděkovat všem pravým, co zdrží se mnou i ve špatných časech. My praví fanoušci, už jsme od začátku, miluju vás a jste moje energie.